So guys, this is 2026 and we are actually, on the monetization plan, monetization goal, and luckily we've been monetized. Yay! Anyway, I just feel like this year started off right, so I'll take you through the process on how you can apply for monetization in 2026 and exactly what you see on your screen, because I actually did mine on the 2nd of January 2026. So I'm telling you fact, I'm giving you the exact deal, the exact vibe that you get. So first off, as we know, you need minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to qualify for the YouTube partner program. If you don't have up to 4,000 watch hours and you have 1,000 subscribers, it will still not pull through. You need to have both of them handy, right? So just know that your watch hours are only going to be from long form content. None of them will be from your short form content. So even if you have like 4,000 watch hours already from your short form content, it will not actually add up at all. It is just for your own, viewing pleasure, but it will not add up to your watch hours. So ensure that you upload long form content so that you can quickly accumulate your 4,000 watch hours. To be very honest, it was not easy for me. It took a lot of time. I opened this channel 2020 November, right? And this is January 2026, so you can see how long it took me to be monetized. But nonetheless, we're here, and without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So you'll be seeing like a screen record on the side starting very soon. All right, so this is how my dashboard looks like, right? Then I just clicked on the end part of it, and you click on apply. You can see review based sign up for AdSense and the rest. So you click on start. That's for the first one. You need to review the base stem. So you need to take your time to read through this so that you know what you're applying for and how well it's going to be for you. So ensure you read it. So once you're done, you just click on accept the base stem, then you click on accept. So once you're done, number one is done and dusted. You will see that it's going to tick green. So with that, you know that, oh, I'm done, right? So anyway, as you can see, that as pull through, you have accepted the YouTube partner program. You move next to sign up for AdSense for YouTube. So this is what will enable YouTube to pay you when you reach your threshold of $100, like that. So you click on the start button for this. You always need to click on the start button, right? So yeah, when you click on it, you're going to see a series of questions, like if you've actually have like an AdSense account before, or this is your first AdSense account. You need to be specific. I, for one, have never had an AdSense account, so this is the first time that I would be applying for it. So yeah, so when you click on that, you tick the right option. So I'll be clicking on this is my first AdSense account. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Fingers crossed. So, but if you have an existing AdSense account, just click on yes. That's the first option. But if you don't, this is your first time, click on no. I need to create one. That was what I selected. Don't worry, you'll be seeing everything in the video, the screen record. So yeah, and you need to select the Google account associated with your YouTube account. So automatically it will be there. But if you have like maybe 2 YouTube accounts, you need to select the exact one you want to link to your AdSense account. So as you can see here, this is my email address and my name. So as you can see, Joy Ono and my email address. So I'll just select that account. It's very easy, just click on it. When you click on it, it will take you again to another screen. You need to be patient. To be honest, you need to be patient. You need to really calm your nerves and ensure that your network is really strong to pull through. So yeah, so this is my channel, my country. If you know that the country is not right, you can easily click and change it, but mine is right, Nigeria, like that. So they also have like AdSense YouTube terms, and condition. You need to read through that too. So redirect you again after you click on it. So the next thing is you see customer information. This is where you fill in your details, check the name, hope your name is correct, the name you want to be associated with your AdSense account. Ensure that it is similar to what you have on your ID, be it your passport, your national ID card, your voter's card, driver's license, or whatnot. There will be a list of that to verify your identity much later, so that you don't have issues, right? So ensure that the name on your AdSense is similar to the one on your ID. So yeah, so once you click fill in the details and all of that and submit, it will redirect you to YouTube Studio, and there you will see that it's in progress. So as you can see, not too long I got a mail saying that my contact information has been changed. I have actually filled in informations on that. It is quite easy. I think I started this whole process from 12:56 and it is currently 1:10, so that's like I think 14 minutes thereabout. So you see it's not long and all of that. So yeah, so you need to keep checking. So since I have started the process, it is trying to load. Initially it is it stated that I have not started the AdSense ish, but as you can see it is still loading, and now it's redirecting me again. So like I said, you need to be patient. So as you can see, the AdSense for YouTube account has been linked to your YouTube channel and all of that. So you see it is showing in progress. That is why I'm zooming it in for you to see. So once you submit your details, ensure that all informations are correct. You will see things like your billing address, your residential address, your your postal code. Ensure that you get your postal code. There is an information toggle beside that. In case if you don't know your postal code, you can click on it and search, or you can just browse on Google and you get your specific location postal code. Just fill in the right details, to be honest. And so as you can see, it's saying it is in progress, and it might take few days, or in some cases 2 to 3 weeks. To be honest, it was very fast, very fast. Like that same day, when it was like 8 in the evening, I just checked through like, oh, has it been approved or whatnot, and I just saw that, oh, they've actually approved it. And yeah, so you just need to be patient and just calm your nerves, and you're good to go. So automatically, once the first 2 steps are being ticked, like you have pulled through on both of them, your get reviewed would actually just start immediately automatically. So you don't need to come back and click on start. It will just start immediately. So as you can see, both of them have been ticked green. So I've successfully linked my account to AdSense, and now my channel is being reviewed by Google. So ensure that your channel is free from any copyright strike, your channel is free from any issues, you don't have any copyright on music or videos and whatnot. Check through before you apply, to be very honest. It will help you and to save you time. So yeah, as you can see, this is a process. It is straightforward. You just need to have your information right. You need to cross-check that your informations are right, so that you don't make any mistake that will cost you your monetization in the long run. Just take it one step at a time. And yeah, my channel was reviewed, and the next day, like very early in the morning, like around 5 a.m. the next day, I got the email that I have been accepted. Like, I've been accepted. So it didn't even take up to a day, because I started 12:56 on the 2nd of January, right? And I got accepted 5:05 3rd of January, 5:05 a.m. So it wasn't even up to 24 hours. So you can actually get monetized in less than 24 hours if you have your facts right, if your channel is in good standing with YouTube terms and conditions, and you're good to go. So yeah, I always tell you guys to watch my video to the end to ensure that I get 4,000 watch hours, and you guys did. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. So this is just the process for those of you that want to apply for monetization in 2026, and those of you that want to start a YouTube channel. Save this video, share to your friends and family so that they don't make any mistake while applying. I just wish I had like this detailed video before applying. I saw some, but I feel like I broke it down way more than some people would actually do. So save this video and share. I mean, your favorite tech coach, and I'll see you in my next. Thank you so much for your likes, your shares, your views that got us here. Much love. We are monetized. Bye guys.